Samsung is all set to shake up the smartphone market once again, with its latest powerhouse, a stunning smartphone that's about to drop with a jaw-dropping design. Packed with a 200-megapixel DSLR grade camera, and the beacstly Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, this phone is here to redefine premium. And trust us, its design, absolutely one of a kind. Yes, you guessed it right, we're talking about the Samsung Galaxy P1 Pro 5G. Even before its official launch, the specs have already leaked online. If you're planning to grab this monster, stick around till the end of this video, because today we're breaking down all the leaked features, pricing, and launch details of this incredible device. So let's start. Features of Samsung Galaxy P1 Pro. Display. The Galaxy P1 Pro flaunts a massive, 6.75-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, with a buttery-smooth 144Hz refresh rate, making your 4K videos look insanely crisp. Plus, it comes with an in-display fingerprint sensor, Gorilla Glass 7 Plus protection, and an IP68 rating, because durability matters. Camera setup. This beast rocks a 200-megapixel primary sensor, yes, you heard that right. Alongside, you get a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 32-megapixel wide sensor, and a 5-megapixel depth camera, all capable of shooting stunning 4K videos. And for selfie lovers, a 50-megapixel front camera, that's ready to make your Instagram pop. Performance. Under the hood, the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset crushes every task, while the latest Android 15 ensures a seamless, ultra-fast experience. Gaming. Multitasking. This phone eats it for breakfast. Battery capacity. A whopping 6,900 mAh battery keeps you going, and when it's time to refuel, 120-watt fast charging juices it up from 0 to 100% in just 25 minutes, because who's got time to wait? Price and launch date. If leaks are to be believed, the Samsung Galaxy P1 Pro could be priced around $700, a steal for these specs. And when's it dropping? December 2025 seems to be the month Samsung is aiming for.